So we've got a menu question here. We've got 5 starters, 12 main courses and X desserts. And we're told there are 420 different ways to choose 1 starter, 1 main course, 1 dessert. Notice we're choosing 1 of each, so we don't have to do any of that n-1 business that if we chose 2 starters, 1 main, 1 dessert. 420 is simply going to be the multiplication of 5 multiplied by 12 multiplied by x. That will be the number of different ways that we can choose 1 of each. So we get the 5 starters multiplied by the 12 main courses multiplied by the x desserts must be equal to 420. So therefore I can say, making x the subject, this is 420 divided by 5 times 12. So the 5 will go into 420 84 times, and 12 goes into 84 7 times. So x will be 7. And there is the answer.